You can't hold it against me when this one tip changes how you think about vacationing. Tired of the same old vacations, crowds, overpriced food, zero adventure, and everybody's on their phone? Here's the fix. Ditch the usual and go whitewater rafting instead. Imagine this: stunning scenery, adrenaline pumping fun, and memories that last a lifetime. Plus no Wi-Fi? No problem. You'll actually connect with the people you're with. Whether you want a half-day trip or an epic full-day trip, rafting gives you the thrill and relaxation you didn't know you needed. So what's it gonna be? Another generic trip or the adventure of a lifetime? Tag your adventure crew and let's make this year's vacation one to remember.